So you're thinking of moving to Old Town Chicago. Like you, I also love Old Town for its beautiful vintage charm, boutiques, and late night buzz. It also happens to be the birthplace of modern American improv, where you will find one of the world's most legendary comedy clubs. As you can see, there's a lot to offer here, and in this video I'm going to show you around the neighborhood. And if you stick around until the very end, I will do a little neighborhood snapshot report so you can be well prepared in your smooth move to Old Town Chicago. If you're new to this channel and you want to know everything about living in Chicago, then hit the notification bell so you can be the first to know about the current market in Chicago. My name is Pauline Mellon with Fulton Realty. I get text, calls, and emails every day from people just like you looking for help in making their move to Chicago. And I absolutely love it. Whether you are moving in 9 days or 90 days, shoot me a text, give me a call, or send me an email. All of my info is in the description below. I'd be happy to make that smooth move to Chicago. This second city isn't the only reason to explore here. This historic neighborhood is a picture perfect place to shop on trend boutiques, dine at storied local restaurants, and admire homes in one of Chicago's most luxurious residential districts. Originating as a home and trade center for Native American nations, including Potawatomi, Miami, and Illinois, the area was founded in 1850s by German settlers. Immigrants began to farm potatoes, celery, and cabbage, which is where Old Town inherited its nickname as the Cabbage Patch in the early 1900s. The German settlers also built St. Michael's Church, the oldest Victorian building in the neighborhood, and one of the only buildings that survived the Great Chicago Fire. Beginning in the 1920s, the neighborhood became a center of art and culture. Artists like Sol Kogan and Edgar Miller began investing in the neighborhood by creating spaces known as the Carl Street Studios, which served as functional places for both producing art and displaying innovative works of art. Today, Old Town is a very hip and fun urban neighborhood and is home to one of the best shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues in the city. Be sure to take it all in as you walk down Wells Street. Grab some barbecue ribs at Twin Anchors, a former speakeasy where Frank Sinatra was a regular. In June, the Old Town Art Fair brings more than 200 nationally acclaimed artists to showcase their work together in this popular outdoor festival. Another watering hole not to miss, Old Town Ale House, a go-to for Second City cast and alumni, and a favorite of Anthony Bourdain, where you'll find locals at the bar and the owner's art lining the walls. Stop by the House of Gluns for a glass of wine. It's Chicago's oldest wine merchant, setting up shop more than 120 years ago. Old Town is a neighborhood for those looking to eat well, explore often, and get anywhere quickly. Are you a commuter? Old Town is your neighborhood. Whether you're heading up to the north side or work downtown, the CTA or Lakeshore Drive can take you there. Also known as the Old Town Triangle, you'll find plenty of Chicago charm with brick alleyways, peaceful streets with long-standing brick homes, and colorful murals. Getting around the CDA Brown Line L train to Sedgwick Station. For bus, take the number 22 or the Clark or the number 36 Broadway. Old Town has a 94 walk score, 80 for transit, and 80 for bike. The charm of this long-standing Chicago neighborhood is seen in the buildings throughout, many of which hold on to their Victorian-era roots. You'll find all types of housing in Old Town, apartment buildings with views of the iconic skyline mixed in with mid-century modern-style buildings are abundant. Charming walk-ups and high-rise condos with lake views. While not as quite as new or pricey as nearby downtown neighborhoods,
Old Town certainly still has a prime real estate portfolio. A diverse selection of brick townhomes, single family homes, and vintage walk up apartment buildings line its charming streets, and condo units in high rises that display sweeping lake views. Townhomes, new and old, along with rehabbed single family homes, can also be found in Old Town. Without a doubt, you'll fall in love with Old Town's charming backdrops and close proximity to the lakefront. Simply meandering the streets en route to the nearby lake can be a treat for Old Town residents and visitors, and its distinctive architecture is a natural draw for those who appreciate being surrounded by history. Many of the city's oldest Victorian era buildings, such as St. Michael's Church, which survived the Great Chicago Fire of 1871, are still staples of the community. Old Town's charming cobbled streets will sweep you off your feet. With that being said, check out my upcoming videos about the different neighborhoods in Chicago, Illinois, and you'll find more information. If you're ready to move, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and I will be happy to assist you.